Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up another goodie box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So if you follow my channel, you guys know that the daily goodie box is a free box that you get free products for you to give a try and see if you like it, so that you can give feedback to those companies what your thoughts are as a customer. So this month is actually for the month of September. So if you want to know how to get a goodie box, definitely go check out dailygoodiebox.com or follow them on Facebook, because they offer a ton of different ways where you can get a free box. But if you want to see what's in the September box, this is what it is. So not every time you get a free daily goodie box, this is what the box looks like inside. And then there's always like a postcard. I've gotten a ton of different products. They're so random, but we're gonna take a look. If you want to check out my blog, definitely check out the blog so you can see all the previous boxes and the kind of items that you would get inside of Daily Goodie Box. Every box comes with this little postcard, and on the postcard it says, you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything that's in the box. Now the reason why I love this is because the last box, if you haven't watched or if you haven't checked out my blog, if you have though, for those of you who are following my blog, I'm going through like, I'm transitioning my hair back to the curls. And on the last box, I was actually looking for a natural hair shampoo and conditioner. And on the last box, I actually got a full size sulfite free and prosperous free shampoo. So I've been loving it, and that was just something I didn't have to purchase, because I don't know if any of you guys have ever tried natural hair products. Those things sometimes can be expensive. So that was like one item I can totally cross off the list. So it always comes wrapped up in tissue paper, and then, like I said, just a ton of products inside. So we're gonna check them out together just to see what came for this month. So the first thing I have here, which I'm definitely gonna grab, this is a coconut energy bar. This is from Rickaroons. It says eat, win, repeat. This is called Mint to Be. This is Mint to Be chocolate. So this is an energy bar. I usually need this on the weekends, because usually on the weekends I'm usually like cleaning up and I really don't have time to eat, but this will definitely, I'm gonna try that out to give myself some energy. And the next thing we have here is Essential Oxygen BR Rinse. So this is organic mouthwash. So this is a pretty good size mouthwash, just to give it a try. And then if you like it, you can purchase it. And usually, like in the bottom of the box, if there's any offers from any of these companies, like maybe any discounts, they do put that in the box, which I definitely love, because you can find a good product that isn't really brand named or out and about, where they're not getting the advertising or marketing that the bigger brands do usually get. Okay, so the next thing we have here is, this is called Screen Shield. This is for teens, and I actually have two. So this is eye supplement. So this is 30 chewable tablets. These are supplements for their eyes. So this is perfect, because who doesn't have a kid right now who's in front of the screen like literally every day? Especially, I don't know if you guys have any kids. Let me know in the comment section below if your kid is actually at school or they're going to school online. My son is actually going to school online. So I'm curious if you guys what is your deal? Because I know all of us are in different states and different situations. So I'm curious as to how many have their kids in school or going online. So definitely let me know. Okay, so the next one we have here, this is Trulogia. This is a hand cleanse. Oh, so this seems to be antibacterial, well no, hand sanitizer, sorry. It just says hand cleanse, but it says 70% alcohol, hand mist. So I'm assuming that you would just mist your hands there. This is perfect for, like, you can leave this in the car, and hold on, let me make sure that's the front. Nope, sorry, that's not the front. And you do have like a scent of kind of like minty scent to me. Yeah, it doesn't say that it's a scent or not. I don't see anything, but you guys can check that out to see. It do smell minty. It smells like that energy bar should smell with that minty scent. And then the next one, we've received this from Daily Goodie Box before. This is Bra Vev Glow. I don't know if this is the same exact bar, but I know that we've gotten bars from them before. So this is actually crunchy peanut butter sea salt. So we will definitely check that out. My family goes through bars like it's none of your business. Like it's ridiculous how they go through their bars. All right, and then the next one we have here is actually from Koi, maybe organic kombucha. This is strawberry and lemonade. I love drinks like this. Nobody else in my house does, but I like strawberry. I like fruity drinks like this. So this is naturally flavored sparkling beverage. I'm the only one in my home who drinks sparkling soda or sparkling water with lemon because they don't really like the taste of it. To me, I love it rather than soda. Okay, so it looks like we have a couple more things here. See, this is all totally free. So this, again, a couple full-size products so far. The next thing we have here is K-Bea. This is an illuminating face mask. So that's what that looks like there. You follow the channel, you guys know I totally love face masks as well. And the next thing we have here, what is this? What is this? Oh, this is coffee. All right, I hear you. All right, so this is Monkey Business Coffee. This is Kopu Luwak. I've never heard of that. It smells like coffee. So that is what that is in there. So I'm definitely gonna give that a try. My daughter and I are obsessed with coffee, so we can drink that all day. And another pack of coffee. This is from Shangri-La Coffee. This is Kopi Luwak again. Smells similar to the other one, but I'm sure it tastes different. So I'm definitely gonna give that one a try. And that's it. And like I told you guys, inside they always have like different, and I like that they put that paper clip on it so it keeps everything together, but it shows you like different offers. If those companies are giving any discounts or anything, you guys can use those as well. So what did you guys think? So like I said, we have a couple full-size products. We have the coffee, we have the teen vitamins, we have the mask, which is full-size. Hold on, and then we have the mouthwash, which I would consider this deluxe size sample. This, I would consider this full size because usually with hand creams or hand lotions, hand mist, they're not that big. Obviously a full size product here. And then we have 2 bars, and that was everything in this box. So what did you guys think of the September Daily Goodie Box? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys have ever gotten a Daily Goodie Box before. I'm super curious if you guys have. So with that being said, don't forget to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And we'll see you at the next one. Have a good day, guys. You enjoy the rest of your week.